So I know it has been a long hot minute. You can probably hear people on the background. I have a whole bunch of family down and everything. I did have a family emergency about a week ago, and I kind of not want to talk about it just because my baby crying is very sentimental. You hear my mom's yelling, but it has a lot to do with my girls' dad's family that we had something going on, and yeah, so it's been a really hard week and it's just a lot of things going on. So that's why I was off the YouTube for about a week. It's just a lot to get used to and, you know, process and just everything. But I did get my Ipsy Unbagging and I wanted to kind of share it with you guys. I know you can probably hear a lot of family in the background, but I kind of really wanted to shoot a video for you guys. I really do miss shooting it, and it does help me get my mind off of things. So if you can just ignore the music in the back, my mom, I'll probably just put music in the background. Maybe it'll cover up a little bit, but she's playing with my nieces and the girls and stuff like that. So anyways, but been so busy, I don't know the theme of the Ipsy. If you don't know what Ipsy is, I'll leave the link at the bottom. You can check that out for yourself. I may not be completely 100% me. I'm very tired. It's just, again, I'm running on a little bit of energy. But this is the month of the for the Ipsy. This is the theme of it. I love this bag. It has beautiful little butterflies. I like the rose gold and the rose gold zipper. It says Ipsy on it. And then this. Now the material on it is one of my favorite materials for makeup bags, just because, again, I always say that it's just a lot easier to clean if you get any like makeup on it or whatnot. So I don't know anything of the products, what I've got or anything. Like I said, I have been out of it. I don't know anything. I didn't even know that this was the bag for the month. Usually I know, and I didn't know this month. So we're going to go ahead and open this up and see what I got. So the first thing is the banana setting powder. This is what it looks like. I don't know the brand for this. I think it's called Poordre Fix Ante Banana. This is what it looks like. I haven't really used like a mosquito, and this is the season for mosquitoes. Use any banana setting powder, but I know it kind of like brightens it up underneath the eye, so I can't wait to try this out. It is sealed, but yeah, I love anything with setting powder, so I can't wait to try this out to see how that works. So the next thing I'm going to pull out, oh well, you know what, here's a card. I always pull the card out. Oh my god, my mom is just like laughing. They're shooting like those play guns at each other, but it throws out like the foam little circle bullets. Anyway, this is called Social Butterfly, so this is the theme of the Ipsy bag. Okay, so we're going to pull out this. This is a mascara from Punk Volumizer Mascara from Juicy. I can't really see the name of it right here, but anyway, this is a really cool mascara. I can't wait to see what the wand looks like. Oh yes, I love wands like this, and I am so in need of a new mascara, so I cannot wait to try that out. The next I'm going to pull out is by Mud Masky. This is a pore refining, hydrating, anti-aging, brightening, soothing, facial detox, purifying, recovery mask. That is a lot. Again, I've never heard of this brand, and I really love anything to do with mask. So you can see my oil is building up. I just like, again, I've just been out and about, and I cannot wait to take a nice hot shower, remove my makeup, remove the lashes, and just put a nice mask on and just take a breathe. It really gives me that relaxation. So I cannot wait to try that out. My mom's shooting that little gun, you can hear it. The next is a Sayat Starstruck limited edition eyeliner. Again, I love liquid eyeliners, and I believe I've had their eyeliner before. I just hate, it's kind of hard to do, but I'm always in need of, you can never have enough liquid eyeliners is what I'm trying to get at. So, but it has a duo. Oh, it's a star. I have a heart one from a different company. that is so cute. I cannot wait to try that out. And then of course you have your liquid liner, which I cannot wait. Oh yes, that is like super black. So excited for that. Put that there. I am so excited for that. I have a heart one, guys. I don't know if you even saw that other video that I did for like St. Patty's Day, but I could 4-leaf clover with it. So anyway, but last but not least, this is a Briogeo Rosarco Milk. It's a leave-in conditioning spray. So I never heard of this brand either. I don't think it smells like anything. Oh, it smells good. I don't know what kind of scent that is, but it smells coconut. No, not even coconut. I don't know, it smells so good. I cannot wait to try this. Of course, I always get my hair done. I always bleach and grow, so I always am looking for a deep conditioning and all of that. So yep, guys, that is it for this video. I know it was kind of like like my eyes are really small. So yeah, I mean I had death in the family, but I really won't get into it. So it's just my mom is like with my family, my little ones are just having a good time. Again, the death of the family happened on my honey side of the on that side. But anyway, as you can tell, I'm so drained and whatnot, but I really want to share this video. I really wanted to see what I got in the mail, and yeah. So I hope you guys like this video. I know I got some new subscribers, and I just want to thank you guys so much for believing in a small YouTuber like myself. And yeah, that's about it, guys. I am going back into filming. I know tomorrow's Sunday, I don't film on Sundays, but I'm gonna try to squeeze one in there since I've been gone for a while. So yeah, that's about it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Don't forget to slam that subscribe button, ring that bell to be notified for future videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye, guys.